Ikaw kaya? Wow. Sorry.
Alright, party. We are celebrating Dr. Ivy tonight! And the 15th anniversary of Ivy Quitter! Alright!
Hi Doc, happy birthday, stay amazing!
It's Kat. So before I enter recording, itong ingay ni Ando. Bago tayo magkagulo, just want to greet you happy birthday. You're so loved. And tonight we are celebrating you. I just wish you all the happiness in the world because you deserve it. You enjoy your night. Magsasaya tayo lahat tonight. And we love you so much. Happy birthday, Doc Ivy!
Isa sa mga naging highlights para sa 15th anniversary ng Ivy Clinic and birthday din ni Dr. Ivy, itong sina Nadine Lustre at Catherine Bernardo. Nasa star-studded event kasi sila ni Dr. Ivy's birthday and anniversary party dahil grabe din talaga ang mga interaction nilang dalawa. No? Nakita natin sa video clip kanina na nagbesohan sila at nag-hi hello sila. Star-studded ang birthday party na ito dahil nandito rin sina Heart Evangelista, Bea Alonzo, Sara Labati, Joshua Garcia at marami pang iba. Very close talaga itong si Catherine sa mag-asawang Ivy, no? Makikita naman natin. Pero ito, laking gulat dahil finalo nga ni Nadine itong si Catherine sa IG. Hinihintay naman kung ifa-follow na rin ni Catherine itong si Nadine sa IG. Napakasaya lang dahil I can't wait na magkaroon sila ng projects real soon, no? Mapapelikula man yan, teleserye, endorsement man yan, anything na magkasama sila, that's for sure. Malanora at Vilma talaga ang magiging clamor nito. Ay nako, napakasaya at makikita natin sila in the near future.